the first month, a lot of snow. You can make a snowman.
I'm the shortest month of the year that starts welcome in spring.
I'm the beginning of spring. Kurdish people celebrate Nowruz.
Time for a picnic and there is a rainbow in the sky.
My birth flower is the lily of Vale.
School is over. It's time for a holiday and have some fun.
I'm the hottest. Drink cold juice and eat ice cream.
It's very hot. You have to visit waterfalls or go swimming.
I'm the golden muff, but I'm sad because the leaves fall from the trees.
The nicest fruit in my mouth is pomegranate. Be careful about your health and drink hot drinks. And the last month, don't go outside without umbrella because of rain.
I am January.
I am February.
I am March.
I'm April.
I am May. I am June.
I'm July.
I'm August.
I'm September.
I'm October.
I'm November.
I'm December.